How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Baba Jahangir Alom. Welcomes you to the online class. Today I am going to take class on affirmative to negative, and the class is for class 9 to 10. Okay, let's start. Before going to start the class, you have to bring your notebook and pen. Okay, get ready. To change the sentence from affirmative to negative, first we can write some rules. Okay, so students, have a look at that. First of all, if we find only or alone, we can say the word as non-verb in case of person, nothing but in case of object. That means any inanimate object. Okay, not more or less than, in case of number. If we find only or alone in a sentence, we must replace the word by none but, nothing but, and not more or less than. Okay. If we find must, we have to replace the word by cannot but or can't help plus verb ing. Instead of must, you have to use can't but or can't help. But if you use can't help, you have to transform the verb form into ing form. Okay. Then every plus found. If every is present in the sentence, you have to replace every with there is or was no plus noun plus but, then the rest of the sentence. Okay. If every is found, instead of every, you have to write there is or was no plus the noun and then but, and then the rest of the sentences. Okay. If you find and, you can say the word by not only ... but also. Okay, friends, if you find as soon as, then as soon as can be replaced by no sooner had oblique have oblique has ... v3 ... then. Okay, as soon as can be replaced by no sooner had oblique have oblique has ... v3 ... then. Then if you find the sentence of any degree, the transformation from positive to superlative or positive to comparative or positive to comparative, then you can change the sentence into negative. Okay, it may be positive, it may be superlative or comparative to positive. That means if you find any superlative or comparative sentence, the sentence can be transferred to positive. Okay. If you transfer the sentence into positive, that can also be transform to negative. Okay. Students, if I try to have some examples, we will be very clear about that. The first of all, only my mother cares me a lot. Only my mother cares me a lot. So I have already said that in case of only, you have to write none but, then the rest of the sentence, none but my mother cares me a lot. Okay. Then in rule number 2 I have written must. So I have a look at the sentence. We must do our duty. Students, you can also try yourself. We, instead of must, we can use can't but. We can use can't but. Then the rest of the sentence. We also can transfer the sentence another way. We, and in case of must, instead of must, we can use can't help. Can't help. But if you use can't help, you should transfer the verb in ing form. So do we have is to be written in we, our duty. Okay. Then we can try a sentence with every. Every. Every mother loves her child. Okay. Every mother loves her child. In lieu of every mother, we should write there is no, then the noun word mother. Then but is used and the rest of the sentence is loves her child. Okay. And then if you find and, the sentence I write, look at this. Rohim and Karim are guilty. If we can try, then not only Rohim but also Karim. Not only Rohim but also Karim are guilty. Then if we find a sentence with as soon as the sun rises, as soon as the sun rises, I go out for a walk. In transforming the sentence, we should write instead of as soon as, no sooner, and the sentence is in present form. So no sooner has the sun is in third person singular. So has is taken. Then the visible form of rise is risen. Then I go out for a walk. Okay, students, we have limited time, so this is for today. You have to prepare yourself in your houses, keep away from crowd, and be safe. Till then, bye bye.